Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Iya. Um, so today I'm going to be doing an easy prom makeup look that you can follow at home. Like if you're too late to book somebody to do your makeup, I got you. So first I did my eyebrows off of camera, but I didn't blend it. I'm going to blend the concealer into my eyelid, and then I'm going to show you guys what I do after. I forgot to tell you guys that right here I'm using a Wet n Wild fluffy brush to blend the concealer out. Okay, so after I blend my eyebrows in and everything, I'm going to get my my Ella Girl Pro concealer. This is like a light shade. It's in the color Proclaim, and I'm going to actually use this as an eyeshadow base and set my eyelids with it. I'm going to use the same brush that I used to blend in my concealer to blend in the eyeshadow base, which is a darker concealer, into my eyelids. So you can actually add as much as you feel like you need, yeah, you can add as much as you need. But word of advice, a little goes a long ways. But like I said, I want my eyeshadow to be really pigmented. This is gonna be for a prom look. Like, you want your eyeshadow to be really like, you know, pop. So I'm gonna add more until I'm satisfied. But you can stop here. Like, this is fine. But I'm gonna add more. If my concealer is wet, it works better for me if my concealer is wet because it makes my eyeshadows more pigmented. Alright, so right here I'm going to be using some glitters that I ordered from Amazon. If I can find the link, I'm going to leave it in the description box below. And then right here I'm using like a kind of fluffy brush, but it's also kind of packed. And I'm going to use that for my first transition shade, which is this brown shade in the the Morphe palette. Alright, so right here I'm starting off by packing the transition shade onto my crease area. Actually, no, that's like above my crease, like closer to my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna pack it on there, and then when I feel like, you know, I'm satisfied with that, I'm gonna start blending. So I'm gonna get a different brown shade to blend that brown in, because, you know, I feel like it was kind of harsh. So I'm gonna use that one to, like, so that it looks more natural. Alright, so right here I'm getting a fluffy brush from Wet n Wild. And then I'm going to go with this light brown. It looks kind of on the orange side, and I'm gonna use that to blend out the edges of the other colors as a transition shade also. So I'm gonna start deepening the outer corner of my eyes with some black, because I'm going to be cutting my crease later on. So I'm gonna blend that in with the fluffy brush now until I'm satisfied with it. Y'all, key to nice eyeshadow is to blend until your hands hurt. Keep blending. So right here I'm gonna go back with the brown, because I felt like the black was harsh. But, you know, I'm going to keep going back and forth from the brown to the black, from the brown to the black. So for the black, I'm using like a harsh brush to like pack it in there. And then I start blending after. Alright guys, so as I'm cutting my crease, some tips that you guys want to like learn or know about cutting your crease, you should like look at it from different angles, make sure it fits your eye type. And also I learned how to cut my crease from B Marie. So if you guys want to perfect your crease, make sure you go watch B Marie's videos. But right here I'm going to open this palette and I'm going in with the yellow color. I usually put yellow under my glitter before my glitter because to me it just makes it look 10 times better. I don't know why. I don't know how I started that, but it makes everything look better. It's for me. Alright, so throughout this whole video you're gonna see me switching brushes while I'm cutting my crease. And that's because for my crease I like to use like smaller brushes to get into the parts that like, you know, crease the most, and then for the basic parts I'll use like a bigger brush. Alright, so right here I'm going to go into my Morphe palette and I'm going to go back into the brown so I can blend in the harsh lines between the crease and the other colors and blend it in seamlessly. Now it's time for my favorite part, you know what I'm saying? So this is the Revlon glitter. I'm going to put that down first, and then after I'm going to come back with the glitter. Because I ran out of glitter glue at the moment, so I had to do what I had to do, guys, okay? Alright, so now I'm getting my glitters that I got from Amazon and thumbnail, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just pack it on to where I put the glitter before, and yeah, it's really easy. But if you have some glitter glue, use it. This is an easy method and everything, but after a while it starts cracking up. Alright, so now I'm gonna dust the glitter off. You could choose to do it later, like after you do that eye, but it just gets irritating on my skin to see it like that. Like I'm some type of OCD. So I'm just gonna dust that off, you know, looking like fairy dust and shit. And yeah. Alright, so I'm actually gonna put some white glitter on top of that because I noticed that I think I put too much yellow on there. So, I wanted to even it out and make it look like, you know, more of a like a normal colored glitter, like something neutral. Not really neutral, but like I don't know how to explain it, y'all. Just watch. I was finally satisfied with how it looked a little bit, so I'm deciding to put on the eyelashes. Like I said, I got these eyelashes from AliExpress. These are the only eyelashes I wear in my eyeshadow videos. I actually think, yeah, from AliExpress. $2, y'all, for three. But yeah, this is the eyeshadow look. Yeah, I'm actually liking it. I'm gonna finish this eye off of camera and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the end results. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I finished my other eye. I actually ended up changing my shirt because I'm trying to take pictures after this. And yeah, so I actually already put some concealer on my under my eyes. I used the LA Girl Pro concealer in the color, not that color. I'm not gonna use that color. In the color mahogany, and I'm going to blend that out. Okay, so for right here, I'm using a Walmart sponge to blend out my concealer. You can get. So as I'm blending my concealer into my under eyes, I'm making sure that I'm getting into the creases and stuff because as I said, this is a prom look. You want everything to look nice and neat. And yeah, and I'm blending over my nose because I know I'm not going to wear foundation, but if you prefer to wear foundation, that's fine, then do it. But right here I'm actually buffing out the concealer under my eyelid. Alright, so after I do that, I'm going to apply some highlight. It's actually from a eyeshadow palette that I'm going to tell you at the end of this clip. Okay, so for my highlight, I use Soda Fizz in here. Hold on. I use Soda Fizz from my Soda Pop eyeshadow palette, because you know how the industry is treating us dark skins right now. Or us, yeah, you know, us dark skins right now, they don't care about us, so we gotta make it work. We gotta make things work. So yeah, that is it for the makeup look. I'm going to set my face and then that's that. I learned my lesson. Like, if you're running out of setting spray and your bottle is running out, make sure to not spray it, because you could see it was like setting on my face really weird. Okay, and after I set that, I'm going to pat it into my highlight just so that it can sit into the skin nicely, you know? So it doesn't just look like it's sitting there, but it's like there. Okay guys, so that is the finished look. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you want more videos like this from me, then comment down below and let me know, and make sure to add all my social medias. It's gonna be right there. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.